Hello, this is HardReset.Info speaking for you, and in this video I'll show you how to connect headphones to Xbox Series S. It's very simple. Firstly, notice this 3.5mm headphones jack on your controller, and then plug your headphones in. Now go to Settings, General, Volume and Audio Output. Go to Additional Options and accept Mute Speaker Audio when headset attached. Now you can listen to music through your headphones. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.